Hi, welcome to EduSumit. How are you all doing? Hello everyone. Hi. Yeah, today we are talking about biotech. Okay, we are talking about biotechnology. Basically, we say it is biotechnology. Okay, one of the most popular and demanding course. Okay, of now. Okay, nowadays. Okay, so first of all, welcome to EduSumit. Please do like, share, subscribe for more such review videos. Okay, on the courses. Okay, review videos on all the courses. Okay, um, so first, what we are talking today, basically, let me say first today we are talking about BSc biotechnology. Okay, topic which we are going to start today is BSc biotechnology. What we will be talking about BSc biotechnology. Okay, what is BSc Biotechnology? Why should you study BSc? Who should study BSc Biotechnology? When should you study BSc Biotechnology? Types of BSc Biotechnology, top colleges for BSc Biotechnology, BSc Biotechnology versus BTech Biotechnology, BSc Biotechnology admission, BSc Biotechnology eligibility, BSc Biotechnology entrance. Okay, colleges, BSc the jobs and salaries, top recruiters in India. Okay, by me I am giving it. Okay, this is the whatever I am trying to say. Okay, so let's begin. Now, what is BSc Biotechnology? Now, I think it is very correct. Okay, so see, what is BSc Biotechnology? It is 3 years undergraduate course that allows the candidate to learn how technology is utilized to create useful and necessary products from living organisms. Okay, it is a branch of science. Okay, it is a branch of science. We basically say it is a branch of what science. It is a most demanding and interesting field. Okay, it's an interesting field. Okay, here what you provide biology plus you will learn about technology. Okay, if you are interested in biology plus technology, then this video is for you and this course is for you. Okay, the only one thing you need here, that is interest. Okay, if you are having, you should have interest because it is a research based subject. Okay, what is it? It is a research based subject. Okay, we say research, basically this is what a research base. Okay, it is a research base. Okay, and more practical is involved here. Okay, more than 40,000 students graduate with BSc biotechnology every year, from more than how much colleges are there, can you see? There are 302 biotechnology colleges. Okay, there are 302 biotechnology colleges. Okay, so this is a small eligibility. The aspirants need to qualify 10 plus 2 from any recognized boards of education with physics, chemistry, biology as compulsory subject to be eligible for BSc biotechnology. BSc Biotechnology admission is strictly provided on the basis of candidate marks obtained at higher secondary level. We say that is class 12th. Okay, it is basically given on not class 12th. Okay, next see, let us see what is given here. However, some of the top BSc Biotechnology colleges in India conduct their own entrance exam for granting admission to which is usually followed by personal interview. Okay, see, personal interview 10%. Not every university conduct personal interview, but there are few colleges they conduct personal interview seasons for final selection. See, there is also a distance available, but I recommend not to do distance. If you are interested, you can do a normal because it is a practical based subject. You can't do distance here. Okay. Course are also available for candidates who are unable to pursue regular course. Okay, BSc Biotechnology syllabus includes subjects such as organic mechanism, here organic mechanisms, biology, microbial genetics, molecular genetics, DNA typing, proteomics, beyond, and etc. There are many subjects. After completion, a student can opt MSc. It is must and should. Uh, BSc plus MSc gives a better combination in this course, specially. Okay, better combination, we can say it is a best combination, not better, it's the best combination. Uh, if you want to opt, you can, what you said, you can opt this course. Okay, you can opt this course. Okay, uh, see. Other similar courses available in India to grow the career. Okay, you see, you can also do MCA after the BSc Biotechnology. Uh, no MTech, you can't do MTech. You can do MCA. Okay, it is also best choice. MBA is also available. You can also do MBA. Okay, next see here about C. Biotechnology is one of the most important field in the modern scientific research field, also with which deals with application of biology and different techniques to modify products, so it can be used for human needs. See, what we say, this is the most important field in modern scientific research. Okay, here see, as I said, I am repeating it more and more time. It is a research based subject. What is it? A research based subject, as field deals with applications of biology. See, if you want to work in such a place, okay, in a lab, okay, see, if you do BSc, you will be having more option to work such way. Okay, how they are working now currently. See, you can wear such a name, you will get here one badge. Okay, whatever XYZ name, you will get here one badge. Okay, now here see, you could be wearing a gloves, you are wearing such a white coat. Okay, see, this course is very better. Good. The 3 years undergraduate course equips the aspirants with the skills to alter DNA of variants. See, here, main subject include here is genetics. Okay, genetics is the main subject here as per my research till now on this subject. Okay. Next, what is saying? Why should study BSc? Why you should study? There should be some reason to study BSc Biotechnology. Huh? Without reason, you should not study the any course. Yes, sir. See, BSc Biotechnology has lots of prospective career opportunity to offer students. Some of the merits of pursuing the graduation in BSc are follow. After completion of this course, candidates will be equipped with skill to excel in bioinformatics. Okay, bioinformatics. See, bioinformatics. What bioinformatics? It is the most demanding. See, before 10 years, BTech was most popular. Now also it is there, but students has if student does not study, the course is, see, if you ever do MBBS and if you does not study, just you become just pass, no one, you will not get any value if you become just pass. Same the way engineering. See, it is a best course. Okay, it is a very best course we say. But here one thing you require, that is a interest. See, without interest, nothing is there. Okay, if you have an interest to do any course, then you should opt the course. Okay, if you are having a interest. Okay, interest in must and should in this course. Okay, especially in biotech. Okay, as this course covers varieties of practices and techniques, knowledge required in the medical field, it opens up a number of career as prospects candidate. Due to constant innovation found in all industries nowadays, candidate can now assure the longevity of employment due to their knowledge in field of computer science. Here, not only biology, you may also optating a CS subject. Here you may learning the coding. Okay, you will get the knowledge of coding, but you will get the language of coding, that is C++. Gradually students say to me that is C++ or else Java. As CS is most demanding, students try to do BCA. They do not get BTech name, as if you are getting a combination of CS plus biology, it's what you need. Okay, it's the best course to opt. If you are in class 10th and you are going for class 11th, you should take PCB CS, a best course for you nowadays. Okay, so this could be a better option for you. I'm saying each and salary and all. Candidates who keep their knowledge updated according to the current trends and data will also have an option to diversify into the field of education. See, if you are having a great knowledge regarding this, okay, then what happens? You may what you say? You may work as a teacher, not teacher, as a lecturer here. You may work as a lecturer. You may also work as a professor, as a BA. You can teach for BSc Biotechnology students itself. This is a quite popular career for the graduates of BSc Biotechnology. Okay. Next, let us see. Another unique feature of this course is that inclusion of management. See here, at the last semester or the which is final semester, you learn about a student which they learn in BBA, that is a something course known as management. Okay, this opens the gateway to MBA. Okay, this opens the gateway to MBA. Okay, so the must and should thing you should do that. This is a unique feature of this course. No other course offers such a way, such a structured course. No other course offers this. Okay, this is the main feature. This equips graduates with the skill to perform well in position of management and administration. The average salary earned by the BSc Biotechnology will range from 3 to 8 lakh. Not we can't say that it would be 8 lakh. It would be less than, okay, 3 to 5 lakh only we can say, okay. But in websites I got 8 lakh, but it's not true. You may get only 3 to 5 lakh. If you opt MSc, then you may get above the 10 lakh, okay. You may get more, okay, 10 lakh. Candidates who have interest in genetics should pursue this course as a career option. Career as biotechnologists require continuous research in different fields. The candidates who are enthusiastic about the research can opt. As I'm trying to see you from the starting itself, who are interested in research, they can choose this course. The biotechnologists work on alternating the genetic materials of food and animals that the production of the food and livestock increases. The candidate who wish to work on food security can find the interest on this course. Okay, students who are enthusiastic to develop drugs and vaccine, you can pursue this course. You know, COVID-19. Okay, here what happened? The drugs. Okay, you want a vaccine. Who is the Serum Institute Pune. You may work in the Serum Institution Pune also after doing BSc Biotechnology. Okay, this is you will having a best career option. Okay, you may work in the Serum Institution also. Okay, this is the best career option you would be getting. So next one, later I was checking that mic is on or not. Okay, candidates who are working professions can pursue BSc Biotechnology in a part-time or distance mode. Okay, I does not recommend. I am saying this from starting. I does not recommend this. This is a very common. Who should do BSc? See, I said this course should be pursued immediately after completion of 12. For those who are pursuing a regular course, candidates who are working, they can do a distance or part-time mode. The candidates should pursue this course when they are decided they want to pursue career that is mainly based on research. Okay, types of BSc. See, here you should write a research book. Okay, research book or research paper. Okay, you will get a many opportunity if you do very good in this field. Okay, you may get a Nobel Prize if you find something new, as you may work as a scientist here. Okay, so what I am trying to say for you that you may have a best career option here. Okay, if you do if you do very good work, you may get an option to do research also. Okay, now type C, BSc is emerging as a mean of subject that provides good job opportunity to the candidates in India. In order to meet the growing demand of the subject, BSc is offered in the full-time and distance. Okay, but distance mode I does not recommend you. We will talking about full-time. Full-time means is a 3-year course that involves an advanced study of cellular and biomolecular process involved in the development of variety of technologies and products that contribute to improving people's life and health. Okay. Okay. Next. What is this page setup? I'm not understanding. Okay. Next. Admission to the course is mainly based on merit. Okay. However, some college offer through an entrance exam. Top entrance exams are DUET, KCET, KIITE, okay, etc. I will be discussing at last. Top colleges are New College, Chennai Christian University, Ferguson College, Mumbai, etc. Distance BSc, the duration of BSc from distance is range from 3 to 6. Okay, see, if you take normal, it may 3, but it may take up to 6. Okay, 6 years. Distance mode of BSc is ideal for working professional. However, it is advisable to pursue the education because the studies are highly practical. Okay, oriented. What I am saying to say from that time. Okay, from starting I am trying to say it is oriented, practical oriented. The distance BSc Biotechnology course is available from different universities such as Mahatma Gandhi, Shobit University. The need to pass 12th or equivalent exam from any recognized board with minimum score of 45%. Okay. Next, see these colleges are not only for distance but also normal also. Okay, these are good. Okay, but I will be taking more colleges. Okay, after this class. BSc Biotechnology from distance is provided by a few biotechnology college. Okay, these are only in this college you may find only these are two colleges you find distance. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi Shubis are the top colleges for studying. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi University can admission are provided on merit based. Candidates need to pass 12th from recognized board with 45% marks. The candidates are offered on the Mahatma Gandhi School of the average fees is 500. Shobit University is offered on merit base. As I say, the candidates offered in the Shobit School of Distance Education. The course is 3 to 5,350. Okay, now BSc Biotech of see this is most demanding question. Students ask me, sir, what is the main difference between biotech and the biotechnology in BSc and BTech? Okay, this is one chart I have brought for you people. Okay, uh, this credit go to the Shiksha. Both BSc and are specialized course. Okay, in the field of biotechnology. However, there is a minute difference between them. Okay, let's check the what are the minute difference. Let me zoom it more. Okay, first let me take 1 minute. Okay, this is clear, right? Okay, see first overview. We will talk about the overview here. BSc Biotechnology focus on cellular and biomolecular process, prioritize the R&D over industry specific skill. Here industry specific skill you will be getting. It is more research here. You will get more research. BSc Biotechnology focus on theoretical classes and practical training in the areas of biological chemistry, microbiology, molecular biology, analytic techniques, and bioinformatics. Here also you will be having bioinformatics, but it's a in the way of industry specific skill. Here 3 year, 4 year. Here same eligibility. Okay, you should pass 12th with PCB as your main subject, compulsory subject. Here you should also have PCB. Here a merit or entrance base. Here it is very important to know that what will be the job roles. Lecturer, marketing manager, biotech product analyst, research scientist. Okay, here maintenance engineer, service engineer, export and import specialization, professor, associate professor, executive biotechnologist expert. So here fees is less, here fees is high, salary is high, here it is less. See, so that's difference. Okay, you may depending on this difference you can choose the which course you are if you want. Okay, next we'll be talking BSc Biotechnology admissions. Okay, see admissions will be mainly done on the merit base. Okay, admission will be mainly done on the merit base. However, some top colleges would consider entrance exam as admission process. The minimum ability for should pursue it is by eligibility. Program from Indian RC. Aspirants seeking admission to BSR RSS required to have passed 10th and 12th with biology, physics, and chemistry as a core subject. Okay, with 50% overall and 45 for HKC and 60% in each core subject. Here in PCB, you should at least have, if it is 100 marks, you should have 60 marks out of 100 marks. Okay, this is must and should be. Okay, this is the main thing. In some cases candidate need to pass entrance like DUP, KIT, SAT, KCET, etc. The entrance is usually on the university college level or somewhat state level also you may find here. Okay, state level. Okay, state level. Next, let us move. See what is the merit base. See here you can read out. It's just I will be saying first score well in 12th. Candidates must have compulsory subject as this and in their at least 60%. Candidates must visit their preference college on time on the basis to check information. You have to fill up the application form with the stipulated date and submit the application with required documents. Check the website for regular update. You shorter the complete the application by saying as soon as possible. Okay, entrance based registration. Registration, the students have to register by test in website. Okay, whatever this you can read out. Okay, it's not so basic, it's very basic. Okay, here everything is given, filling the application form. Okay, you can read it out, application you can pause and read it. So BSc entrance exams, see some what are the entrance exams. Okay, see first DUCT, what I was talking now. These are the some top entrance exam. It is a entrance exam conducted by Delhi University for who take admission to the UG, MPhil and other courses. DUCET could be computer based. The duration is 25 and you will have a negative marking here. Okay. Next, KIITE is a entrance organized by KIIT Bhubaneswar for admission to the different courses offered by university at various UG, PG and every course has different eligibility criteria which the candidate must satisfy. The registration process for UGN has been extended till May 24. This is not for you now. Okay, next is SAT. It is a national level. Okay, let me get very zoomed. Okay, this is a national level. You should give it. It's very important. Okay, it is a national level. SAT is a national level entrance conducted by Shiksha O Anudana University for admission to various eligibility criteria for this course differs. The last date of submitting the application, the entrance exam consists of this much and duration of 2 hours. The KCT is a Karnataka Common Entrance Test. It's the state level entrance organized by Karnataka Examination Authority. The examination is a gateway for admission to different engineering professional courses in the applied to various universities under government of Karnataka government. The dates of the entrance exam for 2021 are these are the dates. Okay, these were the dates. If you are Karnataka student, it is only for Karnataka student, only for Karnataka student. But if you want to, if you are seek to take the admission in Karnataka, this one more example, that is Comet K anything. Okay, you should give this. Okay, if you want, I will be making a next video on this. Okay, if you want, you make sure you comment to the comment down. Now top colleges in India we will be talking. These are in Bombay. I will be zooming out. You can pause and note down who are in Bombay. Okay, this is not clear. Okay, I took it from our website. Okay, these are the some. Okay, these are the there are around 800 BSc technology. Okay, top colleges I will be given. This is in Bangalore. I will be reading once for Bangalore because it is not clear now. Mount Carmel College, Christ University. What is it? Saint Joseph College, Christu Jayanti College, Oxford College, Jyoti Nivas College, Ramaiah College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Suvarna College, Indian Academy Degree College, okay, Aditya Institution of Management Studies and Research. Okay, okay, these are the here average fees also I have given you. Okay, what are the average fee? You can note down it. Okay. Now jobs and salaries. Okay, now we are talking about jobs and salaries. Okay, jobs and salaries. See, graduates from BSc Biotechnology course can find jobs in varieties of fields, including medicine research by computer-aided research. Okay, there are variety of job prospects available in both public and private sectors. Some of the top career options open to graduates to include biophysicist, biochemist, research associate. Okay, now you may think, sir, why I said biophysicist? See, the only main motive that at the first semester and second semester, sem 1 and 2, you will be learning biophysicist. Okay, biophysics. Okay, so you can work as a biophysicist also, biochemist also you can work. Most career areas too much involve lower and mid level position scientific. See, here I said, here I typed lower and mid level program position. Here if you want high level positions, you should opt MSc. Okay, you want to opt MSc. Okay, MSc is must and should. Okay, mid level also you would not get, you only get lower positions after doing BSc. Next, what are these job profiles? Okay, job profiles. Okay, what are the job profiles? You may work as biophysicist. Okay, to carry out tests, scientific experiment analysis, behavior of various proteins and molecules. They conduct practical based research and communicate findings to the university as well as private foundations and government. Here you may get 5,25,000 as a salary. Next, here see lab technicians. Okay, they are responsible for making sure that raw material product meet the required quantity. They are kept detailed records and need excellent communication skill. Okay, here you are having a less salary. Next, research scientist. Okay, it is high salary paying. Okay, this and next three what I am talking. Okay, here research scientists are often responsible for coming up research proposal and obtaining required fund, planning executive experiment as well updating records, analyzing result and data. They may also be tasked with streaming different programs to make them cost efficient. Okay, this is the salary you will getting 5,45,000. Okay, it's very good salary as compared to other courses. Bio tech analyst. Okay, they are analyze the risk versus benefits of various products. See, risk versus benefit. Okay, risk versus what benefits. See how interesting it is. Ideas, okay, in the field of biotechnology, they also provide valuable technical information to potential investors into new ventures. Okay, you will having the highest salary here as a biotech analytics as a 6,85,000 per annum. You can also work as a lecturer, a professor, experienced individual branch out into education as a lecturer in their area of specialization. They are also responsible for equipping students with the skill of knowledge required in the field. Okay, we're getting 6 lakh here. Okay, now next we will be talking BSc Biotechnology top recruiters. Okay, there are some that these recruiters are not much true. Here you may not get more recruiters. Okay, these are the highest. Okay, these are the highest paid. Okay, you may get average as very less, but don't focus on this. MSc should be your next focus. Okay, next biotechnology quick facts. Okay, this is the last topic, quick facts. Before that, I want to say something to you before quick facts. Okay, let me add one page here. Okay, see, doing BSc biotech, doing BSc biotechnology is good. Okay, BSc technology. Along, you will have a 3 years of pre-year. During this, you can prepare for IIT JAM. Okay, this is a entrance exam for MSc in various IITs, including this is you will have a specific subject that is biotechnology. Okay, this is a key point. Okay, what I am trying to give with a key point. This is the key point. Okay, you should know it. You can prepare for and you can get into IITs for MSc in biotech. Okay, you may your salary profile would be highly increased here. Okay, it will be highly increased, but plus you may have a more good profile. You will get here good profile if you do it from IIT. Okay, you will have what a good profile. Okay, plus a high package you may get here. You may get high package. See, high package than other colleges. Okay, if you prepare with IIT JAM, you may make your concept super strong. Okay, plus you may do for IIT and MSc. Okay, it is very good option. It is key point. Okay, key of the day, key point of the day. Okay, key point of the video you can see. Okay, next coming to the quick facts. Here the average salary would be 50,000 to 2 lakh. Okay, this is average annual fees. Okay, sorry, this is annual fees. Okay, not salary, annual fees. Next, let us see here, last page. BSc Biotechnology admissions are mainly done on, but however, top colleges conduct their own entrance. Top entrance exams are, I said you. BSc Biotechnology courses are offered in full-time, part-time, and distance education. The syllabus of BSc includes subjects like biophysics, instrumental, cell structure, dynamics, principal, and micromolecular genetics. The different job profiles are after completion of our biotech analytics. I said you may get 6,85,000 here. Biochemist, research scientist, and many more. The average salary of biotechnology will be this much. Okay, this is the average, not that what I said now. These are highest. Okay, but don't focus here. You should focus this, but it is not sufficient. You should opt MSc because reputation, you could not have the reputation that you could have for biotechnology. At last, we came to the end of the video. Okay, at last, what I would say, just I would like to say thank you for attending such a long session. But you will have I think your every doubts regarding biotech is clear now. If you found this video interesting, then please like, share, subscribe to EduSumit YouTube channel. Okay, it's my own channel. You can like, share, subscribe to this channel. Okay, we will getting more such video. Okay, please comment down if you want any other video. Okay, you can also comment down. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. This is the key point. You can note down it. Note down. Okay, note down. Okay, see, I highlighted it. Note down. Okay, that's all. If you want any such more videos, you can also comment me, or you can also mail me on edusumit@gmail.com. Okay, edusumit@gmail.com. Okay, this is my email ID. You can also mail me for, I will surely respond you. Okay, you can also mail me on this ID. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for attending. Okay, that's all. Thank you.